I want to show you one other thing about Google Calendar. It is my just go-to tool to find out what time it is in any other time zone. There's this thing called the world clock over here on the left. Notice I am in Mexico, so I am in Mexico time, which is Central Standard or Mountain Daylight. It gets confusing, but my computer is telling me the correct time for where I am. I know that. I can now, and it's 1:30. It's 1:30. I mean, it's 2:30. See, I said time zones are the definite. It's 2:30 my time. It says so right down here. I can look up so quickly. Los Angeles, it's 1:30. Boise, it's 2:30. Phoenix, UK, it's 9:30. South Africa, it's 10:30. India, it's 2 a.m. They follow something weird. They're on the half hour. Now, if you look at your Google Calendar and you say, I don't see those, you have to set it up. We have a friend on viewing now, Debbie from Portugal, and I notice I do not have Portugal on this list. So let me show you how I add that. In Google Calendar, on the computer, I click on the Settings tool and Settings, and then it's called World Clock. So I have set up all these other time zones that I want to see in my world clock. I can add another one, and I have to click the down arrow and find Portugal. Now, there's no search. I sure wish there was. I can find it in here somewhere. We go to Central European time. I think I want Western European time. Lisbon. There we go. So it takes a bit, but I can find Lisbon. And now, when I go back to my calendar, I can see that right now in Portugal, it's 9:32 p.m. Now, how do I see what time it will be at 2 p.m. some other day? I can click on the appointment for 2 and notice how everything over here in the world clock changes. So 2 p.m. my time is 9 p.m. Portugal time. I'll let Debbie chime in the chat there and see if that was right. Is it 9:30 in Portugal right now, Debbie?